This is the final video to solve the I2C HID driver touchpad not working problem in Windows. Are you also facing this issue where your touchpad suddenly stops responding, disappears from Device Manager, or shows an I2C HID driver error? This usually happens because Windows Update breaks the driver, the device gets disabled, or the HID service stops working. And most guides online are confusing or full of steps that don't match your system. When I faced the same I2C HID touchpad problem, I tested every possible fix until one simple trick finally brought it back. I'm going to share all the easy methods so you can definitely fix it too. This is Rexisht, and here's the clear path to the solution. First, open Device Manager and enable the I2C HID device if it's disabled. Many users don't notice this simple change. Next, uninstall the I2C HID device and restart a PC. Windows will reinstall a fresh driver automatically. If the touchpad still doesn't work, install your laptop manufacturer's touchpad driver. Windows generic drivers often stop working after updates. Then, check the Human Interface Device Service and Services. If it's stopped, your touchpad won't respond at all. And the secret trick that fixed it for me was running a power reset by shutting down the laptop, removing power, and holding the power button for 20 seconds. This forces the I2C controller to reload and brings the touchpad back instantly. If you want a full step-by-step tutorial for each method, comment below and I'll make it for you.